In this video, we're going to look at how you can grow your YouTube channel and stop losing views. Now, the first thing we need to do to grow your YouTube channel and stop those views from falling off your channel is to understand what is happening and why you're losing views in the first place. And there are usually three reasons why. The first reason you could be losing views on your channel is because you're not uploading video. Or if you are uploading video, you're not doing it on a consistent, regular basis. We get asked time and time again, why am I losing views on my YouTube channel? And the first question I ask is, how often are you uploading videos? People will tell me they haven't uploaded videos in a month or a week or 2 months or whatever. And that's rule number one, is that you've got to upload a video. Second rule is that you got to do it on a regular, consistent basis. So make sure that you're uploading video every single week on your channel where you can, or more where possible. So if that's you and you're losing views on your channel and you're just not uploading video, well, then you know what to do. Now, if you are still consistently uploading video, but you're still losing views, then the second reason is that your content isn't what your audience wants. If you look at your video views over time and you can see that they're consistently low, then that indicates that your content isn't what your audience wants. If before you were getting hundreds or even thousands or tens of thousands of views on video, a review of your videos through your analytics will tell you at what point your content changed that your audience doesn't like. Now, I don't have time in this video to go through that whole stage, but I might do a video on that in the near future. Let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to create that video. So if this is the case where your views are consistently dropping or stagnant, they're not growing, then go back to where your views were higher and look at that content that you are making. Make more videos like that, and that will help reverse any loss of views on your videos. Now, if you're uploading video on a regular basis and you're creating content that your audience like and you're still losing views, then the third reason why you're losing views on your YouTube channel is because it's just cyclical. What I mean by that is that it is that time of year where there isn't as many views on YouTube as there normally are. The summer is typically a time when you get lower views, and we're seeing it right now. Across the channels that we work with, we have seen a drop in views across the board. So if you're seeing a drop in views on your channel and you are uploading regularly and you are creating content that your audience likes and your numbers are typically the same, then it could be just a drop in views in YouTube in general. So those are the three reasons why you're losing views. What can we do about it? Now, apart from the first one, where if you're not uploading video, then go back and start uploading video, then I'm going to give you 5 ways you can stop those views disappearing off your channel. The first tip I've already alluded to, and that is to look at what videos have worked in the past that got you more views and especially more subscribers, and create more videos like that. When working with clients, this is the first thing we look at: what videos work very well for their niche, and then we look at what videos like that we can create more of. So what other topics around those successful can you create more video around, or can you create an updated version of those videos? For us, when we've got 2019 or 2020 versions of videos, I can always create a 2021 version of that same video. Because YouTube changes on a regular basis, we can create 2021 versions of videos that are very successful. Now, before I go into the rest of these tips, if you are new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays, Thursdays, go live on the Saturday stream every single Saturday, all to help you grow your YouTube channel. The second thing to do is to do live streams if you're not doing live streams at all. Live streams help boost your watch time, and that's the currency on YouTube. So when you're creating more watch time on your channel, you're going to get in front of more and more people, and YouTube will promote your live stream. So the better your live streams are, the more people you'll get on, the more people YouTube are going to put in front of your live stream. So it's a win-win-win. And if you're doing live streams already, how can you create longer live streams? If your live streams work and you might be doing them for an hour, how could you do an hour and a half, maybe 2 or even 3 hours on them? Again, you're boosting your watch time, and then YouTube will put you in front of even more people to offset that loss in views that you might be getting on your channel. The third thing you can do is to do collabs. So if you're able to do a collab, whether that's in person or remotely, then that can help get someone else's audience onto your channel and then your audience onto their channel, so you can get even more views and more subscribers on both channels. Doing collabs is a great way to get more views, boost your subscriber base, and get in front of more people. So look at who is subscribed to your channel that you could collab with, or channels that you're subscribed to that have a similar subscriber count to you. Approach them, see if you could do a collab together and help share your audiences so both channels can grow. The fourth tip is, if you're not doing shorts, start doing shorts. We've seen shorts blow up in the last couple of weeks, and if you're not using them, you're missing a trick. Now, because the videos are short, that you may not get the same watch time as you would from your normal videos, but that's not the point. If your shorts blows up and goes viral, that means you can get in front of a lot more people, get a lot more subscribers to your channel, and then they'll start watching your other videos on your channel and help with those views, boost your watch time big time, and get more views and more subscribers overall. So if you're not already using shorts, definitely get on it. Start creating those vertical videos, pop them on your channel in between your normal regular content. Give it a test for a couple of weeks and see how it goes. You have absolutely nothing to lose, and if it doesn't work out, you can just stop. Now, the fifth way to stop views falling on your YouTube channel is for bigger channels. If you have 1,000 subscribers, then you have the community tab. You want to add community posts and polls on your channel on a regular basis. So if you're uploading 3 times a week, then put a post or a poll up in between. So pop in a photo, pop in a poll, something like that, so that you're constantly communicating with your audience. And if you've got 10,000 subscribers or more, you have stories. YouTube are telling channels to use stories. They have seen that there's an 8% boost in viewers and subscribers who use stories. So if you do have 10k subs and have access to stories, definitely use them. That's one area we're going to work on more on this channel over the next couple of months, so that we can take advantage of that additional 8% that we can always use on our channel. How do you stop the views dropping on your channel? If I have missed any, pop them in the description below. I'd love to know how you do it. And if you are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash that notification bell. We upload videos Tuesdays and Thursdays and go live Saturdays, all to help you grow your YouTube channel. And if you're looking to get the 4,000 hours of watch time to get monetization on your channel, then make sure to watch that video right there.